Let's do this. Welcome back, my Tablet 8 Ultra lovers, or soon to be. I'm going to be very honest to you right now. I can't help myself. I keep looking at this big Tablet 8 Ultra vibrant display right here in front of me. I just can't get enough. What an experience. Anyway, I saw all your questions at the previous video, and there were a lot. After all, I did ask for it, didn't I? And here's how I am going to approach this by prioritizing your needs. I will produce bite-sized videos just for you. You do know YouTube is constantly changing. Imagine I answer all your questions in a follow-up video, but YouTube does not recommend this video to you. Wouldn't it be a shame? You can prevent all of this from happening by simply subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much. Okay, just to clarify, the Tablet 8 Ultra keyboard is the only keyboard in the entire Tablet 8 lineup that is new. There's no other keyboard that is new. The Tablet 8 Ultra, I repeat, keyboard is the only one that is brand new. The keyboards you can get for the Tablet 8 or the Tablet 8 Plus, maybe in the bundle or you buy this separately from Samsung. I'm talking about the book cover keyboards. They all are the Tablet 7 keyboard. So there's no new Tablet 8 or Tablet 8 Plus keyboard. Again, it's only new for the Tablet 8 Ultra. It's also the only keyboard of the entire lineup that is backlit. Okay, so the keyboard cover comes in two pieces, one of which you basically need to attach to the backside of your Tablet 8 Ultra. On the back of the cover, there is a safe place to store your pen. Again, it's similar to the Tablet 7 keyboard. Once it is attached to your Tablet 8 Ultra, the S Pen is safely stored away, but it will also charge at the same time. You can see here it has an adjustable kickstand, and you can safely place it on a table and adjust the angle. It can be wobbly at times, so be aware of this. Basically, you need to find your best angle. It is possible to place it on your lap if that is what you want to do. It's not the most comfortable place to be for your Tablet 8 Ultra, but it does work. To put the entire combo, the Tablet 8 Ultra and the keyboard cover, the dedicated keyboard cover, into perspective, it is slightly heavier than the Galaxy Book Pro 360, and it is also slightly thicker. The book cover keyboard for your Tablet 8 Ultra is not wireless. You need to attach it. I've seen some comments, and I believe you are referring to the wireless keyboard sharing feature. That's something different. You do have the 3 pins on one side of the keyboard, and then you attach it to your Tablet 8 Ultra, and it makes that clicking noise, and off you go. Keyboard itself is an extended version of the Tablet 7 keyboard, just with a better look and feel, and it already starts with a trackpad. It is a glass-coated trackpad, and it is way better to use, in my opinion, than anything else I had from Samsung before. As for the keyboard layout, I will leave this on the screen for you now to investigate. You guys know there are different requirements due to different languages. We have funny looking letters here in Germany, you guys know this, but at least you get the idea. Again, it is an extended version of the Tablet 7. It is the equivalent of a Tablet 7, just better, more premium, and bigger keypads, and it is backlit. Okay. We covered the keyboard. Let's move on to the S Pen. All 3 S Pens for the Tablet 8 Plus and Ultra are all the same. It doesn't matter which pen you use, you will always have the same experience and the same results coming. The only versions that have the super duper new improved latency is the Plus and the Ultra. Having said this, the Tablet 8 also has an improved latency compared to the Tablet 7. Again, the pens are all the same. It doesn't matter which one you use. I even tried using my S21 Ultra S Pen, the small one, and it is exactly the same results coming out. So look, the new latency you can find on the Tablet 8 Ultra or the Tablet 8 Plus, it is incredible. And I haven't experienced anything like this before, and that is my own humble opinion. And I'm using all the tablets I have here almost on a daily basis. This was your first bite-sized Q&A video. More to come. If you have any more follow-up questions, let me know in the comments below so I can incorporate them in my next video, or I can at least try to do this. Thank you for watching. As always, peace out.